Hey, this is Tim. You know, when sometimes you get a package you've been waiting for a while and you're really excited about it and it comes? That happened to me today and I wanted to share it with you. Here's the package and it's from Amazon. Open it up. Yes, yes, yes. There it is. That's my book, the first copy here. It's Born for Worship, the best you can be in worship arts ministry. It's coming out in the end of the month. That's going to be February 28th. It's a press proof, so it has the press proof marks on it and all of that. Conversations with Timothy J. Miller. That's me. Oh, wow. Wow. It's just a fun moment to go ahead and open this thing up and see it for the first time. A lot of people went into making of this book. I'm looking forward to getting this into their hands too. 30 years in worship arts ministry goes into this book. It's about how, Jesus uses when we serve to transform our lives, right? And it's about how you can embrace that process better and become more like the person he envisioned you to be when he created you. This talks about how we can go ahead and kind of maximize our growth. Hey, and the book is coming out in a few weeks. It's coming out at the end of February 28th on Amazon.com. If you want to get a free copy, you can download that right now. I'm going to do that until it's released on Amazon. And so for 2 weeks, you can get a free download of the book. What I'm asking from you is that you read it and see what you think. And then you write 3 or 4 sentences about that. Go to bornforworshipbook.com. You'll find a link on how to sign up to do that and get your free download. Let's take a look. Each section is made up of short mini chapters, about 3 to 4 pages each, and they're all about a different part of how we grow, how to maximize that. I put some stories in here. Every section has at least one question that really makes you kind of dig deep, and it'd be good on your own. It'd be great if you go through this with a group. That's probably the way to get the most out of it, because it's going to help everybody communicate what matters to them. It's going to help everyone really get on the same page, find out how they add something special to that team, their place in the team, not just on a production level, but also on a relational level, on a spiritual level. This would be great for group discussions. Hey, thank you to everyone who worked on the Insight team and read the different chapters and commented and helped actually make this a much, much better book. As independent as I am, as self-reliant as I am, I have to admit, we're better as a team. Born for Worship. The book's here. It's exciting. It's fun. Talk to you later.